Today we are making the ultimate chocolate crinkle cookies. Fudgy on the inside, crackly on the outside, and dusted in sweet powdered sugar. They're rich, they're chewy, and they're surprisingly simple to make at home. We are going to start with 270 grams of flour. We are going to add 60 grams of cocoa powder, 5 grams of salt, 300 grams of white sugar, 50 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of powdered sugar. I know it sounds like a lot of sugar, but trust me, they're gonna come out delicious. I then started to mix all of these ingredients together, and then I realized I forgot the baking powder. So then now you're gonna see me add the 10 grams of baking powder, and then I'm going to mix everything together again. And then in a separate bowl, we are going to add our wet ingredients. I am adding 85 grams of sourdough discard. You can see that I added too much and then I took some off. But then I added 70 grams of oil, 10 grams of vanilla paste. You can add 5 if you don't want that strong flavor of vanilla, but I like the vanilla flavor, so that's why I add 10. And then I like to give it a little rough mix before adding 2 whole eggs. And then that's when I mix everything together again as best as I can. And then I put it gently into the other bowl where I have the dry ingredients. I like to mix everything together really quick, and then I add 1 stick of unsalted butter. It has to be softened or melted. In this case, I added it softened, and this is 110 grams. And then I like to mix this dough in particular with my hands because it is on the thicker side, so it's kind of hard to mix with the spatula. You can also do this on the stand mixer, but I like to show you guys that you don't need any special equipment to make most of my recipes. So here I am just showing you guys how I mixed everything together. It is a little bit messy, but it's totally worth it. You are going to be left with a thick cookie dough. It's gonna look and smell like brownie mix. So I like to use my 1/4 cup to measure my little dough balls. You can use an ice cream scoop, but this is what I'm using. I like to kind of take off the excess, and then I roll it in between my 2 hands, and then I throw it into some powdered sugar. The dough balls don't have to be perfect. You can just rough shape them, throw them in there into the powdered sugar, and then put them into a pan lined with parchment paper. At this time, you will be preheating your oven to 350 degrees. And here I'm showing you guys once again how I do it. I got around 14 cookie dough balls, and I put them in the oven and I baked them for 15 minutes. And after the 15 minutes, I let them cool down on the cookie sheet. You want to take them off after they're cooled down. And these came out so delicious. They taste like brownies. They're nice and sweet. These are definitely a treat because they are a little bit on the sweet side, but they taste just like brownies. Here I am showing you guys the inside. They're so moist and they're not dry at all, and they're super soft. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video.